Hey, my name is Loves. In this video, I will show you how you can create a professional eye-catchy logo in Canva. Let's have a start. First of all, you need to create a canvas. For this, you need to click on create a design and click on custom design and take a width 1000 pixel and height as well 1000 pixel. Click on create a new design. So here is the artboard where we can create design. First of all, we need to take text. So here we click on and we take S and we make it little bigger. So we can change its font by clicking here, and the font is Playfair. It will take some time to show result. If your internet is good, the result will display here very fastly. And we take this font and here's the regular. We take a copy of this and we write J here. Here we go. The size of J is little bigger than S. So we take a shape which will hide this area. In this purpose, we will take a square. You need to click on element and take a square. So you need to hide this S. So what we can do, we can simply change its color to white. Here you check this area is hide. No, we can place J above the S. So here you go. We will group them. Control G for grouping. We will make both a little smaller and we take a title, your brand name. For subtext, we will change the font and we'll take the font which so we will make it in uppercase. Just click on there and all text goes in uppercase. Make it little smaller. Make a copy of this and write your slogan here and make it little smaller. And here your logo is ready. You can see that how professional you can create your logo within a few minutes. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.